Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meal prep. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker isn't just an appliance, it's a game changer, replacing 9 different kitchen gadgets in one sleek design. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, making rice, yogurt, sautéing, steaming, and even sterilizing, all with one powerful pot. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart are its 15 smart, customizable programs, letting you perfectly cook everything from soups to cakes with just a touch. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these presets take the guesswork out of delicious, consistent results every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and healthy cooking, making it a hygienic choice for your family. It's the ultimate kitchen upgrade for anyone looking to save time, space, and enjoy incredible homemade meals effortlessly. If you're ready to transform your cooking experience, click the Amazon link in the description to get your Instant Pot Duo Plus today. Seriously, this is the best kitchen appliance for 2025 if you want versatility and convenience. Don't miss out on making mealtime simpler and more enjoyable. Grab yours now.